Hey guys, Arnold here for Healthy at 60 Plus. In today's news update, I want to talk about the best way to use erectile dysfunction medication. If you have any questions about this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. Now let's see what we have today. So there are two main ways to deal with ED. There is symptom relief by using meds like Viagra or Cialis. And then there is repairing the underlying causes of your erectile dysfunction. Now, symptom relief, when it works really fast. You take an ED med, and an hour later, you're good to go. Repairing the underlying cause of erectile dysfunction is a much slower process. The thing is, most men who call me call because the ED meds either never worked or have stopped working. And the reason they have stopped working generally is because the underlying issues have just gotten worse. And the ED meds, they just can't keep up. Now, what I'm about to say will drive people who only believe in natural remedies kind of nuts. There is no reason you cannot use ED meds while you are working on a long-term repair process. And actually, that is the best way to use ED medication. Use them together with the repair process to get the best of both worlds. And then hopefully eliminate taking ED meds altogether. As I said, the best of both worlds. Click the link below this video to see my ED repair page to see the best natural way to repair the causes of your erectile dysfunction. If you have any questions about that page or this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. To be informed of new videos, just subscribe to my channel and click like for this video. I want to thank you for stopping by today and watching this video. To view other videos about this same topic, just click on either of the video links above. Again, thanks for stopping by, and here's to your good health.